Looking to renovate and repurpose old properties into new for more profit? With little space in cities for new construction and the lure of living amid the hustle and bustle, old mills and industrial buildings make desirable living spaces. Roof decks, balconies, and common areas with green space are great ways to increase outdoor living space and add on to an already attractive listing. On average, roof decks add 6 to 8% to the value of a property. Where to start? SILCOR is a premium waterproofing product that's perfect for densely populated areas. This cold-applied membrane is odor-free, walkable in 2 hours, and can be applied by small teams of workers. SILCOR is easily applied in small and limited access spaces and makes the waterproofing process move quickly. As no hot work permits are required when working with SILCOR, you'll save construction time and money. SILCOR is simplicity.